Hey everyone, Varun here once again from Language Academy. Guys, very excited and proud to have Viral with me today. He has claimed 25 points towards his permanent residency, cleared PTE with 8 each and NAATI Hindi as well. In a matter of 2 months, you have claimed 25 points. Well done. Let's start off with your PTE. You took few attempts to clear PTE, right?
Yes.
How was your overall experience? What do you think? What are the key factors or what are the things which are required or which are very crucial to clear PTE and to score 8 each in PTE?
Yes, so first of all, I'd like to thank Varun and team at Language Academy. But when I came here in Language Academy, I was really struggling, particularly in reading and listening section. I was away around like 3 or 4 marks in each attempt. And after getting the different tricks and strategy, especially in filling the blanks and more emphasis from Varun regarding right from dictations, boosted my score from 75 to nearly around 80 or 82. And that helps me really a lot. On top of this, I would also urge all the people who are taking PTE, they must focus on the filling the blanks and as well as right from dictations and do like 20 or 25 blanks and as well as right from dictations each time, so it can boost your overall confidence when you are going to attempt this exam.
That's right, that's right. Will, what do you think overall is important for the exam? Are those your tricks and strategies, or you need very good English, or it's about your practice? What do you think is the most important factor to clear PTE?
The first ingredient for success in PTE is hard work and applying the right strategy at right time. Because sometimes what happens, even our English is very good, we are really struggle when we face at the day of the exam, and because of the lack of confidence. And on top of that, you need to practice each strategy offered from Language Academy that makes a best score out of each task. And each task is really important when you are aiming for 79 plus.
That's right, guys. Very important you focus and then you practice as well. If you do not really practice, or if you're practicing using the wrong strategies, you are going to struggle. It's not only about your English, it's about how you get used to the exam so that you are confident on your exam day and smash it. Let's talk about your NAATI. You have cleared NAATI Hindi as well. What do you think is the most important factor for NAATI Hindi or to clear NAATI exam? Because there's a hype among students that this is not that easy. You need pure language skills, or you need very typical use of the language or literature. What do you think is the most important thing for NAATI Hindi?
For NAATI, I would say that the vocabulary is not really that you need to focus on. The most thing you need to put a focus on is really dialogue delivery, how you can retain the information spoken by the speaker or the particular narrator, and how quickly you can memorize it and transform into your particular narration or type of language.
That's right, guys. What I see, a lot of students just focus on vocabulary, and they are not really practicing the dialogues. If you'll just focus on vocabulary, you're not really practicing or focusing on your dialogue delivery, you will fail to convey the meaning what one person is saying to the other person, and that will lead to a lower score. Make sure you focus on vocabulary, but yes, you have to focus that you are practicing using a lot of dialogues, which we were struggling as well, right? We were focusing on vocabulary, but we were not really used to dialogue, and as a result, we struggled in the beginning as well, right?
Yes.
Let's wrap it off. Any final piece of advice for people who are preparing for their PTE or NAATI exam? Any advice for them? What should they prepare? How they should prepare? Any tips to keep in mind, please?
Guys, I just want to share the good things that follow the practice and strategy offered by the Language Academy team. Especially, you need to brush up your grammar, and particularly for NAATI, you need to focus on the dialogue delivery, retentions of the information, and as well as you need to prepare for any kind of the situation that happen in the exam that actually gives you the more confidence than you're doing actually at home.
That's right, guys. So practice, and then you have to follow the right strategies. You should be aware that how everything works in the exam. You should have a professional who will guide you through the process, tell you what is important, what not, how marking works, and how you have to ace your exam. Again, keep on practicing, guys. Believe in yourself, be patient. Even if you're missing out, don't just give up. You have to do it. Believe in yourself. If I have done it, he has done it, you can do it as well. Just keep on practicing, believe in yourself, and you will do it as well. All the very best, guys. Thank you, guys.